Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Brex Premium Card Review My Usage Experience. Brex Premium Card Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive look at the Brex Premium Card, analyzing its features and benefits for business owners and high-spending individuals. It's aimed at those considering this card or wanting to understand its value proposition compared to other premium cards. Key features likely include high reward points, travel benefits, and potentially concierge services. Their website provides details on specific benefits and eligibility. Brex positions itself as a premium card offering exceptional rewards and benefits, targeting businesses and high-net-worth individuals. Their website highlights competitive reward programs and emphasizes streamlined expense management. They tout ease of use and transparent pricing, with no hidden fees mentioned. Availability is likely dependent on creditworthiness and application approval. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Brex Premium Card Review My Usage Experience. I was interested in the Brex Premium Card, but wanted a detailed, unbiased review before applying. Getting started was straightforward. I simply searched for the relevant reviews online and found a few well-regarded sources. Navigating the information was easy. Most reviews clearly organized their findings by category, rewards, benefits, fees, etc. I particularly appreciated the detailed comparisons to other premium cards like Amex Platinum and Chase Sapphire Reserve. The reviews were generally well-written and insightful, providing a balanced perspective of the card's strengths and weaknesses. I had a question about a specific benefit and reached out to one reviewer via their social media. They responded within 24 hours clarifying my doubt. I was really impressed by how thorough the analysis was, covering even the finer points of the rewards program and the card's associated perks. One minor drawback was the inconsistent quality of reviews across different platforms. Some were more in-depth than others. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information I gathered. The reviews were instrumental in helping me make an informed decision on whether the Brex Premium Card would be a good fit for my needs. That's my overview of Brex Premium Card Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.